Ayan, marami nga palang nag-request ng videong ito kasi marami ang nalilito kung paano isolve nga ba ang ganitong given. Okay? That is very simple and easy in elementary lesson or topic, but that is difficult to follow the original rule. Okay, isa-isahin natin and explain ko sa inyo kung bakit hindi ito pwedeng maging at dapat ito lang yung rule na gagawin. Okay? Start tayo sa given. 24 divided by 4 times the quantity of 2 plus 1. Okay? Now, start muna tayo sa ating first rule, PEMDAS. Okay, although connected silang tatlo, pero start tayo sa PEMDAS. Ang PEMDAS, remove the parentheses. And start with simplifying the exponent. Okay, if we have exponents, simplify it. Then proceed sa ating multiplication. Okay, now ang ating MD, ang ating DM, ang ating MD, okay? Ibig sabihin, multiplication, division. Division, multiplication, multiplication, division. Kahit alin sa dalawa ang mauna, depende sa circulation ng given. Kung alin yung naunang lumabas, halimbawa kagaya nito, 24 divided by, okay, meaning division ang mauuna. Pero iba sa ating given kasi meron tayong parenthesis. Okay, ang rule na gagawin natin dito ay PEMDAS. Okay, remove the parentheses. Okay, 24 divided by 4 times 2 plus 1. Okay, by removing it, by removing the parentheses, matatanggal lang natin to kapag simplify natin to. Okay, 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, so meaning, nandun pa rin ang kanyang parenthesis. Sa mathematics, ang parenthesis ay tinatawag din siyang quantity. Okay, now, hindi pa natin siya pwedeng i-divide kasi nandun pa yung parenthesis. 24 divided by 4 times 3 is 12. Then, 24 divided by 12, the answer is 2. Therefore, the final answer here is 2. Okay, now, we are going to justify bakit 2 ang sagot at hindi pwedeng maging 24 divided by 4 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. Mali yun. Okay? Bakit? Isa-isahin natin. Dahil sa PEMDAS, remove the parentheses. Meron tayong lumalabas na ganito yung kanilang justification. 24 divided by 4 times 2 plus 1 is 3. Then pagdating dito, ginagawa nilang 24 divided by 4 times 3. Okay, take note. Okay, now, babalikan uli natin yung original given. Ang given na ito ay pang-elementary mathematics. Okay, now, if we are going to ask the graders, elementary level, grade 1, grade 3, grade 4, grade 5, okay, hindi pa ganun ka-broad ang alam nila when it comes to algebra. Kaya hindi nila alam na ang gamit ng parenthesis ay product or multiplication. Kaya, i-convert natin dito from here is hindi siya applicable. Bakit? Kasi tinatanggal lang natin, nire-remove lang natin ang parenthesis or quantity kapag tayo ay nagpo-perform ng operation. Therefore, kailangan nating i-multiply ang 3 sa 4 para maging 12. Now, dun sa nagsasabi na ang justification ay ganito, 24 divided by 4, then 24 divided by 4 is 6, then times 3, which is 18, this is totally wrong. Okay? Bibigyan pa natin ng patunay. Okay? Isa pang patunay na hindi pwedeng ganyan ang maging sagot. Okay? Now, for example, tinanggal muna natin ang 24. Ang given ay naging 4 times 2 plus 1. Okay? Nawala muna yung 24 divided by 24 divided by. Okay? Ito na lang yung natira. 4 times the quantity of 2 plus 1. Okay? Now, if we are going to perform automatically the values inside the parentheses, it can be distributive property. I-distribute daw natin yon. Okay, gawin natin. 4 times 2, 8. Then, plus 4 times 1 is 4. Therefore, the answer is 12. Okay? Now, if we're going to, aside from distribution, we're going to perform the operation inside the parentheses. 4 times 2 plus 1 is 3. And this is also 12. Okay? This is also 12. Now, In this justification, if you are going to follow this rule, what will happen to this? 4 times 2 plus 1, then 4 times. Kasi tinanggal mo na yung parenthesis dito, so meaning hindi mo na rin siya, pwede mo pala siyang hindi na i-perform yon kasi ang target mo itanggalin mo na. Kasi ang iyo, ang parenthesis ay equivalent sa multiplication. Kinonvert na agad natin. Times 2 plus 1. Okay, so meaning 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9, which is totally wrong. Therefore, the original process of this is the PEMDAS rule. This is the correct solution satisfied with this distributive property. If we're going to distribute, this is the same, which is 12. Okay? I hope na ito ay clear na sa lahat na we need to follow the PEMDAS if we have parentheses.